All right, guys, in order to properly shave, you do need some type of agent on your face. Right here, I'm using a shave gel, and as you can see, I'm stretching the skin. That is important. Why? Because you prevent cuts and nicks. So continuously shaving in small, even strokes. That is very important. Here you see going against the grain, and that's only because I want a closer shave. And again, stretching your skin is huge, huge importance. It prevents you from getting cut. Trust me, guys, you want to do this. And I'm moving my lips to the other side of my face, but that's okay. And right here, the lip area is super sensitive, so you want to make sure that you stretch your lip downward because you can't get cut. As you can see here, that's what I'm doing. Small, even strokes. Again, guys, small, even strokes. And the chin area, you want to pull that skin, guys. If you don't pull the skin, trust me, you will get cut. And if you can go with the grain in this area, that way you get a nice shaving experience. As you can see, I'm letting it go, but I am tucking my lower lip, as you can see, so that helps stretch my skin. Here again, small even strokes, going across the chin, going down with the grain on my neck area, and that will prevent you from getting cut. Again, stretching the skin is super, super important, guys. I can't stress this enough. Continuously small strokes, guys. And that's pretty much it. That's how you get a nice even shave with your Black Widow razor. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. We'll have more videos for you coming shortly.